Hi everyone, this is Elena. Welcome to my channel How to Tie a Scarf. In today's video I'll show you a few ways how to wear your silk scarf like this in the office with a white shirt. Thank you so much for the ideas of this video, and don't forget, the best ideas come from you. If you are new to my channel, my name is Elena, and if you like scarves, consider to subscribe. And now let's get started. For the first look, I fold the scarf as a triangle. I put it on my chest and separate the ends. I cross the ends behind, bring it forward, cross them again. Like this. The upper end goes under the scarf, and I bring the lower end on the top and straighten it. Make a knot, hide the ends. Et voila! Our beautiful butterfly is ready. For this look, we need to fold our scarf at the form of triangle. Fold this side of the scarf. Make a loop like this. Tie the ends. Hide the knot. The most important thing for this style is to evenly fold pleats. Et voila! For the third style, I will need a scrunchie. I fold pleats on one side of my scarf. Fix it with a scrunchie. Fold opposite side a few times to make the scarf shorter. Tie it behind, hide the ends under the shirt. Ensure the scarf folds nicely. Et voila! If you want more fresh ideas, make sure to subscribe. Check those videos, you may like the ideas too. Consider to subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!